Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix this account no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. And you can also see that there is written check review status, which means if you have your account has been reviewed by the WhatsApp and the problem is still there. Now if you want to use WhatsApp and you have the problem, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply try to log in WhatsApp with another number, because your mobile number may be restricted or blocked on WhatsApp. So you have to simply log in your WhatsApp with another number. So if the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply click on open Chrome or any kind of browser you have. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply search for WhatsApp support here. And after that, you have to click on contact WhatsApp. And here what you have to do, you have to simply select the type of WhatsApp you have. If you have WhatsApp Messenger, you have to simply click on that. And after that, you have to simply fill that form. Here you have to simply provide your mobile number and you have to provide your email address, and you have to simply select uh, device on which you are using the WhatsApp. And after that, you have to simply provide here all the details that what is the problem you're having. So here you have to simply provide detail which is that hello WhatsApp team. Recently, my account is blocked due to spam, even though I have not violated any community guidelines of WhatsApp. So kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. And after that, you have to simply click on next step and you have to fill all the form. And after that, you have to submit the form, and WhatsApp team will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. When I get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.